Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Up Bank app stuck spinning on loading screen and never reaching your accounts? Here's the fix. First, force close the app completely from your recent apps and reopen it. Give it a full 60 seconds to load. Up regularly performs scheduled maintenance windows, including one of nearly 5 hours in June 2026, and the loading screen spinning during these windows is expected and can't be fixed on your device. To confirm whether it's maintenance, open Safari or Google and check up.com.au or search Up Australia down to see if other users are reporting the same thing. If it's not a maintenance window, go to your settings, then toggle airplane mode on, wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off to completely reset your network connection. And then reopen Up fresh. If it's still stuck, go to settings, then go to general, iPhone storage, scroll down and find Up, then offload the app. After offloading it, go to your app store, search for Up Simplify Money and then reinstall it fresh from App Store. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen, check if it's scheduled maintenance first, airplane mode reset, then offload and reinstall. Up loads past the screen and that's it. Subscribe.